Or keeping a potentially explosive situation under control.
Yeah, well, it was a lot closer than I would like to admit.
For what it's worth, Kay says you did a good job.
Did he? Wow. Maybe there's still hope for me yet.
Oh, God, no. Don't believe anything she might
I'm
have said.
kidding. Don't give it another thought. Well, if you'll excuse me, I'm sure you'll both agree that the paperwork on this is going to be a nightmare. Especially that kiss.
Yes, sir.
Well, we're not to kill each other while I'm gone.
We're getting the big guns in with brand new Stargate Universe tomorrow night at 9 over on Sky 1 HD. And then right after.
It's Christmas!
In great kids games.
It's arriving now, Commander.
Serious bugs in the north and west piers.
It's no use, the city pilot just can't handle this kind of raw power.
I think I know where we can get another nuke.
Major Admiral sympathetic to Janai will be to our situation. You heard our message. The Wraith are at our doorstep. We have an opportunity for you to test your weapon. Swear. We got the prototypes.
How much further?
Just around this next corner.
When was the last time you had any contact with them?
They came under fire about half an hour ago. Major told me to head to the gate and radio for backup. I haven't heard anything since.
They were under fire and you didn't head back to help?
Major Lawrence told me to stay by the gate.
You're right then.
Oh my God.
Shouldn't there be villagers and one trying to put the fire?
Fire's out, that's just stream of smoke.
Let's take a look. Stay with Lindsay.
Right, sure. Oh, and hey, if you're gonna practice, know that's me holding back our attackers all on my own.
Somebody put it out, they just don't want to stick around and talk about it. It's not safe to be in.
Thanks for that. I got something.